This is Ravina Bhabhi. Everyone loves her. Full enjoying Bhabhi. There's always a queue of guys outside her house every day. Her expenses are too high and her husband does not earn much. Now what to do about it? And that is why Bhabhi has got her own boyfriends. She give them fake lollipops of love and make her work done from them. And they take care all of her expenses.
Hello? Yeah, Monu, tell me.
Hi Bhabhi, I was just thinking about you.
Oh, really? Why not? Just keep on lying about that, but you never fulfill any of my wishes, right?
That's not fair. I have always fulfilled your wish. Tell me about your wish.
You forgot? I have told you, right, that I chose a diamond ring? And I have sent you the picture as well.
Sorry. I'll get you tomorrow for sure. Sure. And I'll bring it on my own, Bhabhi ji.
Okay. Okay, Monu, please listen. Your brother is calling me, so I'll talk to you later, okay? Bye.
Hello.
Hello.
What is this, Bhabhi ji? I've been trying to call you million times. It's showing busy continuously.
So, today, how do you remember me?
Arey Bhabhi ji, you remember only them who are not your own. But you are my own, Bhabhi ji.
Oh, really?
You stay inside my heart, Bhabhi. There's no question of remembering you. And I was thinking that we've been talking over phones from the long time. And we haven't met till yet. So what is your plan today? Can we meet today?
Yeah, sure. Please come. By the way, listen. While coming, please do get anything to eat. I'm too hungry. Okay?
Okay. I'm also very hungry. But let me come there and let's eat together.
Okay. Come fast.
Okay. Let's catch up soon.
Okay. Once again, I got my prey. Who's on the way? Hello? Ramesh? Where have you been?
Arey Bhabhi ji, I got late in packing the food. I will reach in just 2 minutes. You just wait outside the door and I'm coming. The food is really delicious. I think you were waiting for me more than the food, huh?
I am not eager to meet you, but I'm very hungry. That's why I called you to bring food.
Okay, Bhabhi ji. I have reached. Just open the
Okay.
door. Take Bhabhi ji. This is your food. Let's eat this delicious food together.
I'm very hungry right now. I'll close the door.
Hey Bhabhi ji, eat nicely. This is really hot food.
Let
eat
me eat
properly,
first.
Bhabhi ji.
Wow. It's very yummy. Did you made it?
No, from my brother's restaurant, Cousin Brothers. I have bought it from there. They make really good food. Mm.
I am feeling like I should eat this food every day.
You can tell me and I'll send you the parcel from that restaurant.
That's also nice.
You're looking very pretty today. And
Yeah.
you're looking beautiful on this red sari.
Yeah?
Hmm.
You wear it. I'm joking.
I called you and your phone was busy.
Yeah,
With
I've paid for the recharge to be busy. That's why. I'm joking.
Don't you think you joke too much? Don't joke too much. You might get into trouble. This might cost you.
I was too hungry. awesome
Bhabhi
food.
ji, you ate it so fast.
I enjoyed it
Did you like it?
too much.
Hmm.
Now, after having this much food, so I'm going to sleep so you can have fun.
What is this? I didn't finish my food and she went to sleep. Okay. I will have to do something about it.
Hey, Ramesh. Get up. Tell me the truth. What have you mixed in my food? What have you done with me?
What happened, Bhabhi? I had only mixed few sleeping pills on your food. So that I can check out your beautiful body. And moreover, I was spending too much on you from last few days. I had to do this.
You bastard! Just leave from here right now. Go!
Yes, I'll leave. But before leaving, just check out your pictures. Because I will come every time from now.
Go from here!
Nothing will happen if you throw the phone. These pictures will be with me forever now. Okay, Bhabhi ji. I will leave now. Let's catch up soon.